Hi guys, first thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about how we're going to create a Google Sheet. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to google.com. Here, hopefully you're signed in already. If not, there'll be a little blue button over here that says sign in. Go ahead and sign into your account. Then once you get there, go ahead and click on the waffle here where it says Google Apps, and then click on Google Sheets. So a couple cool things here when you get to this Google Sheets page. They have like a template gallery here. So these are some of the things that I've used previously, but if you click on here, you can actually see in general all of the different templates that you can use. Some are pretty cool, some for education, some for just typical business things, and some for personal life. If you click on where it says French South School District, this is actually a place where some people have put up different things. So like if you needed to use a semester grade calculator, you could click on this and the template would automatically load for you. If you built something and you wanted to submit one, you could just click here and do that. But we're going to create a blank one. So we're going to hit this back arrow and go to the main page. So we're going to hit this plus sign where it says blank. And this is what our Google Sheet will look like. So it'll say working. It's going to automatically save into our drive. So just a general place setting there for us. The first thing we probably want to do is probably rename this from untitled spreadsheet. So if we just click up there, it'll highlight all that text for us, and we'll just call this demo sheet. Okay. Now we're able to click in anywhere in our spreadsheet. Same exact, if you are familiar with Excel, still have our columns and our rows using letters and numbers. Pretty same functionality, and we'll get into that here in these next videos. So hopefully you were able to create your own Google Sheet with no worries and no problems. Thanks for listening and watching.